Good morning, students. Now we are going to start a new topic, and new topic is toxic substance. Toxic substance. Toxic substances are very harmful to our health. These substances are very harmful to us, and these substances have, because these substances have some properties that people become addicted to them. People become addicted to them. So these are called toxic substance and addictive substance. Addictive substance and their harmful substance are like gutka. Gutka is a mixture of betel nut, katha, and some flavoring substance. People often mix tobacco with it. And women have become addicted to gutka because its easy availability, and gutka is spread, and you can say the reach of gutka in every part of the country. Use of gutka not only harmful economically but also physically. Gutka become jaw of the muscles hard, and it becomes difficult to open the mouth. And this condition is called submucous fibrosis. Many substances in gutka are carcinogenic, and it is the main cause of the cancer. So gutka is very harmful to our health. And next substance is, you can say that next toxic substance is tobacco. Tobacco is obtained from the leaves of Nicotiana tabacum, which is the member of family Solanaceae. And tobacco leaves contain 1 to 8% nicotine, which is called alkaloid. Some people use tobacco for the smoking, and some use for chewing, and some people use tobacco in cigarette, bidi and hookah. And the harmful effects of tobacco is, tobacco increase the chance of the cancer of mouth, throat and lungs. And next harmful is thickness it increase the blood pressure, increase the blood pressure and heart rate, and use of tobacco by pregnant lady decrease the development of embryo, decrease the development of embryo. And next toxic substance is alcohol. Alcohol is made by the different methods, but all forms of alcohol for drinking contain ethanol. Alcohol is highly addictive substance. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol used in the different ratios to make the alcoholic beverage, and it's harmful of lack of alertness, lack of cognitive functions, liver damage, and excess amount of alcohol convert into the acetaldehyde by the liver, and acetaldehyde is a poisonous substance to the liver. If we use the alcohol for a long time, it cause of a fatty liver disease and affect the synthesis of protein and carbohydrate in the body. And next substance is opium. Opium is obtained from the sap of raw fruit of plant Papaver somniferum. Sap of opium is contain 30 types of alkaloids. 30 types of alkaloids, which is morphine, codeine, nicotine, papaverine, etc. Morphine and codeine are used for making painkillers. And codeine is also used in the cough syrup. Farming of opium is done by supply raw materials to the pharmaceutical industry. Many people, opium is used for the medicinal way, but many times and in most of the areas, opium is used by the people for opium addiction. This opium addiction, and it is ruin the life of persons. Rural areas, opium party is common, and some ladies give small dose of opium to their children so that they can go to sleep. By the consumption of opium make the person addicted to it. And if we take the opium in a little amount and slowly, it increase the intake amount due to the addiction. Opium damages the immune system of the body. frequent sickness, and finally result in premature death. Premature death. And other substance, addictive substance, LSD, church, heroin, ganja, etc. These substances used by the people as a addictive substance. And misuse of medicines. Misuse of medicines. Misuse of medicines. As per survey, the total addicted people in India is 42% consumption alcohol, 20% consumption opium, 30% consumption heroin, and 6% consumption marijuana, and more than 18% consumption of addictive substance. There are many medicines which can sedation if we take a higher dose. Morphine, diazepam, nitrazepam, bupropion, pethidine, codeine are etc. example of some medicines. These medicines we can take without the prescription. And if these medicines are used for a long time and we are addicted to these medicines, so many children use thinner. Nail paint remover is acetone, petrol, solvent, etc. are addictive substances used by the same children. Street children often fall in the trap of drugs and alcohol and inhale some synthetic glue, correction fluid, nail polish, rubber cement, dry eraser, markers, gasoline, because fumes. These substances give a sense of high. Such children are often suffer from hallucination and from disease of lungs and kidney. These are the mainly toxic substance, and you can say the harmful substance for the humans, and these substances are prescribed by the doctors as a medicine, but nowadays these are the substance addicted to the people. If we take it for a long time, and we can read out of this case by the help of the doctors and NGOs. And next topic is food adulteration, and we start this topic in a new period. Then thanks, have a nice day.